Hello everybody, and today we're going to be talking about how to express trigonometric ratios as a fraction and as a decimal given a right triangle. Now remember, the three trig functions are sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine is the opposite leg over the hypotenuse, cosine is the adjacent leg over the hypotenuse, and tangent is the opposite leg over the adjacent leg. So the directions say find the indicated trigonometric ratio as a fraction and as a decimal, and if necessary round to the nearest 10,000ths. That's 4 decimal places. So if we look for the sine of A, we have to, over here we're looking at angle A, and we look at the opposite, which is 30, over the adjacent, which is 34. So there is our fraction answer, and if you want you can reduce to 15 over 17. And then the decimal for that in the calculator, 15 divided by 17.8824. It's just that easy. And that all goes with the sine of angle A from the picture. Tangent of angle B. We have to look at angle B and reference tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. The opposite is 16. The adjacent is 30. So our ratio is 16 over 30. And that can reduce to 8 over 15 if you like. The decimal in the calculator to 4 places is 0.5333. Cosine of A for number 3. Look at angle A. The adjacent side is 16. The hypotenuse is 34. So it's 16 over 34. That would reduce to 8 over 17. And the decimal goes with 0.4706. For number 4, cosine of B. The cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent then is 30. The hypotenuse in that triangle is 34. And it reduces to 15 over 17. The decimal being 0.8824. That goes with the cosine of angle B. The sine of angle D, now we're in this triangle. Sine is opposite over adjacent. That'd be 16 over 20. I'm sorry, hypotenuse, the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. 16 over 20 reduces to 4 over 5. Decimal 0.8000. Tangent of E. We look at angle E, then we go opposite over adjacent. That's 12 over 16. And then that reduces to 3 over 4. And of course the decimal is 0.75. Alright, just 2 more. Cosine of E. We're looking at angle E, and we're going to try to do adjacent over hypotenuse. That's 16 over 20. Reduces to 4 over 5. The decimal is 0.8. Last one, cosine of D. We look at D. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That's simply 12 over 20. Reduces to 3 over 5. And the decimal is 0.6. And there are 8 examples of how to set up trigonometric ratios.